Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online bank account password of Comerica Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a www.comerica.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Comerica Bank, you need to click on the login option on top right screen. You click on login. You will be redirected to the login form page where you need to provide your user ID and password. Then click on login where you will get directly logged into your online banking account of Comerica Bank. As we are going to recover our account password, so we will click on the link given below, that is forgot password. You click on it. Here you will be redirected to the another page, that is password reset. For the recovery of your password, you need to provide your user ID, then email address. After you provide both the details, you need to click next where you will be redirected to the another page and go in for following the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to reset your password for your online banking account on Comerica Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online bank account password of Comerica Bank. Thank you.